This is the microscopic examination of Honeybee Apis dorsata sting that I am recording with a probe microscope attached to my Samsung Galaxy S23 with Mscope software app. And that black part seems to be the sting that has gone inside, which I have to remove. This is the damage to the tissue. It's swelling slowly. I did not notice yesterday, but now I am sure that it's going to aggravate. I had applied some topical ointments, but it is itching a lot, and it's not good. Although it is on the side of the palm, I must not ignore it.